Welcome to the MHT-CET crash course, where every student gets their second chance to shine. The JEE exam is tough, the syllabus is vast, the questions demand extreme depth, and many students face unexpected eligibility hurdles. If the JEE didn't go as planned, it's absolutely okay. Take a moment, breathe, and realize this is just one step. We want you to know that one setback does not define your potential or your future. We understand that beyond the student's disappointment, there is a deep sense of worry among parents. The uncertainty about the next steps and future career prospects can be overwhelming for the whole family. We acknowledge the immense pressure and stress that both students and parents are currently feeling. However, there is still a massive opportunity waiting, the MHT-CET exam. It's time to shift your focus. Let's look forward, with determination, to a clear path ahead. One exam result absolutely does not define your future. The MHT-CET is truly your second best chance to shine brightly. Now, let us introduce the trustworthy, focused solution designed to maximize your success in the MHT-CET. Our expert instructors are confident, supportive, and ready to provide the guidance you need. Our MHT-CET crash course is the trustworthy, tailor-made solution built specifically to address the nuances of this exam. We focus on solution-oriented learning designed to build your confidence and readiness in just 45 to 50 dedicated days. Experience intensive review sessions, personalized expert guidance, regular doubt clearing, and mock tests that simulate the real exam environment. Our proven strategies and structured learning pathway ensure you catch up fast and master the critical concepts. The MHT-CET crash course is more than just preparation. It's a journey toward transformative, achievable results. Watch your expression change from doubt to determined hope as you successfully solve problems and see your scores climb. It's time to turn that disappointment into fierce determination. Join us, and let's make your MHT-CET success story happen. Your future starts now. Don't let this opportunity slip away.